फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आप लोग को इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रेटजी का बारे में कुछ डिस्कशन करेंगे। जो इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रेटजी में वॉरेन बफेट, द legendary investor, once said, "Don't put all your money in one basket." फ्रेंड्स, अगर मैं टोटल जितना भी मेरा वेल्थ है, जितना मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट अमाउंट है, एक शेयर में लगा देती हूँ तो रिस्क बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगा। अगर वो कंपनी अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करेगा देन डेफिनेटली माय मनी, माय वेल्थ will be reduced. Therefore, the best way is to spread your investment in a spread portfolio, that is number of shares, number of ideas, so that if one company does not perform well, the others company may do well and my total investment will be protected. Friends, one of the most interesting advice given by the legendary investor is, don't ask the barber whether you need a haircut. Don't ask the barber whether you need a haircut. Barber is always there for a haircut. If you ask a barber, definitely the answer is yes, because he is paid for his services. Similarly in a market, similarly in a different places, people are giving advice with the paid service of different companies to influence the investors. Similarly, some brokers, some agents, some investment consultants, they are associated with the particular company to mislead you. Therefore, it is better if you put your own conscience, own judgment and own calculation before putting your money into particular shares and debentures or in a particular other places. The investment does not mean only shares and debentures and securities. It may be gold, it may be in real estate, it may be in other places also. So it is better to take your opinion matters. Friends, don't trust forecast or projections, especially from someone who is financial interest making in those projections. If somebody is paid directly or indirectly by the company to offer you advice to purchase the company's share, don't put your attention over there. Generally, when we go for a policy or go for an insurance, we listen to the agent. And in most of the times, we see the agent does not tell all the conditions before the investment. And people find out that the investments have got some other conditions which are not favorable after putting their money. So friends, always we must be very vigilant in putting our money, because the money belongs to you only. Nobody will suffer, only you will suffer for your loss. So don't ask the barber whether you will cut your hair. Better ask to the persons who has no interest in cutting the hair. Friends, all these things are very important, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you all.